Pursuing welding promised six-figure rewards, my journey shaped by childhood dreams.
I wanted to live a certain lifestyle, and I needed to make a certain type of money. I wanted to be in, like, at the time, I wanted to make six figures, just $100,000 a year.
Right.
And my cousin showed me that he was doing it. So my mind was, for the lifestyle I want to live, welding would provide the money. So I did all I could to get certified in welding.
So welding was the goal. But so before you take us on your welding journey, let's talk about how it was as a kid. Because I think this is the most important part, what people don't understand, like the mentality, what made you who you is, and the grind and the mindset to say, okay,